Hello, welcome to Wonders LED Lighting World. Today, we would like to bring something new about raw material for LED strip light. Here, this is the PCB board. Today, we want to talk about something about PCB board for strip light. Normally, when we produce LED chips, we have to arrange LED chips on the PCB board. PCB board is also the cycle design board. You can see the cycle design on the back side. I'm not sure you can clearly see that. You can see here? Yeah. And the most important of PCB board will be the width and the thickness. Generally speaking, the thickness had 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce. So when you buy LED strip light, you have to ask the supplier, what's the thickness of your LED strip light? Mostly for Shenzhen supplier, they offered 2 ounce thickness PCB board for LED strip light, but few of them use 1 ounce PCB board. When will we use 3 ounce PCB board thickness? When the LED strip light we required high power, such as if we produce 30 watt per meter, we have to use 3 ounce thickness. And we also need to combine with aluminum profile to help LED strip heating dissipation. You can see this is 12 watts PCB board, and this is 8 watts PCB board. Here, yeah. PCB board width and thickness is very important. So make it clear when you place an order for your supplier.